Want the best auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Coxville area? If you are searching for an auto body shop in Round Rock's Coxville area, you've come to the right place. Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock, Texas Coxville service, quality collision repair estimate. If you have ever had to have your automobile looked at or repaired, you will be aware that there are so many firms that offer auto body repair services. So just how do you narrow down your select? Below are a few pointers to aid you. Has the firm been in business for a long period of time? Family members possessed businesses are generally passed down and also have an excellent reputation along with top quality service. They are very confident and also take their work personally. Generally, they enjoy return trade or trade comes their means with little advertising and marketing or advertising and marketing, yet by word of mouth from very completely satisfied consumers. That is one advertising and marketing service you can't beat. Nonetheless, the firm should still have a net visibility. Is the work assured? One of the main things you should take into consideration from a top quality auto body repair shop is the warranty. This is vital, as without a warranty any kind of malfunctioning handiwork will not be rectified, and also you may find yourself having to pay an additional firm to put it right. Does the firm have excellent customer service? The characteristic of a top quality firm is the means it handles its consumers along with its possible consumers. A firm that is respectful and also quick to reply to all questions with equal focus to detail makes certain to offer a top quality service. Does the firm have a conclusive record? Many firms set up and also put a few testimonials on their site, and also these can be bogus. There is no other way to tell if they are real or not, so although testimonials are terrific, do not position so much emphasis on them. Does the firm have call details on the website? This is important so you can contact them either by phone or by email. Keep means from firms that only have an email web kind to complete without other methods of call readily available. Does the firm offer high-quality repairs to a series of different makes and also versions of automobile? This may be something that you hadn't considered, yet may be vital in determining whether the firm you pick can handle your repairs. You will need to work with automobile to make use of whilst yours is being repaired, and also time is money. Therefore, when getting an analysis for repairs, ensure the time period is additionally factored into the costing. On a regular basis, other troubles can be located as soon as work has started on the bodywork of an auto, and also an excellent technician will alert you if he uncovers anything else that should be taken care of. The decision should be yours whether it is to be dealt with or not. The technician should not take care of the work and also just add it to your costs at the end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.